Hello students, welcome to the topic to demonstrate the bandsaw machine with different parts and their functions. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to demonstrate the bandsaw machine, identify the parts of the bandsaw machine and functions of the bandsaw machine.
Bandsaw machine. Process. Instructor shall display and demonstrate all the parts of bandsaw machine and their functions to the students. Different parts bandsaw machine and their functions. Base. The base of the bandsaw is a sturdy, often cast iron platform that supports the entire machine. Frame. The frame is the main structure of the bandsaw, typically made of welded steel or cast iron. It houses all the moving parts of the machine and provides support for the cutting process. Work table. The work table is a flat surface where the material to be cut is placed. It can typically be tilted to accommodate angled cuts. Blade. The blade is a continuous loop of toothed metal that runs around two or more wheels. It is the primary cutting tool of the bandsaw. The blade's teeth come in different configurations depending on the material being cut. Blade guides. Blade guides are bearings or rollers that support the blade, keeping it aligned and stable during cutting. There are typically both upper and lower blade guides. Wheels. Bandsaws have two or more wheels, usually made of metal or rubber, around which the blade rotates. One wheel is powered by a motor, while the other is idler. Motor. The motor provides the power necessary to drive the blade. It can be positioned either underneath the table or on top of the frame. Tensioning mechanism. The tensioning mechanism adjusts the tension of the blade. Proper tensioning is crucial for achieving accurate cuts and prolonging blade life. Feed system. The feed system controls the rate at which the material is fed into the blade. This can be manual, where the operator feeds the material by hand, or automatic in more advanced models. Guide fence. The guide fence is a bar or rail that helps in keeping the material straight during cutting, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Adjustment controls. These controls allow operators to adjust various parameters such as blade speed, blade angle, and cutting depth according to the requirements of the job. Safety features. Bandsaws are equipped with various safety features such as blade guards, emergency stop buttons, and blade tension indicators to ensure safe operation. Trainees will note down all the parts and their function of bandsaw machine. Record it in Table 1. Get it checked by the instructor.
In this video, we learn about bandsaw machine with different parts and their functions.